Good morning, children. How are you? See, children, in our last session we have discussed about the naming word. What is a naming word, children? Means the names of the animals or the names of the what we have discussed. Naming words means names of the animals and or maybe the names of the birds, or maybe the children names of the fruits, or it may be the names of the vegetables, or it may be the names of the persons, etc., or it may be the names of the places, jobs, clothes, days, months. All body parts, all are known as the nouns. We will discuss one by one. Few examples I will explain. Few examples for each category. First, let us see about the animals. Suppose bear, okay, elephant, tiger. Names of animals: tiger, crocodile, dog, cow, okay, goat. So that I can cover more, I am writing two. Crocodile. Next, deer. Okay, these are the few examples of the names of the animals. See, children, a noun is the name of anything. A noun is the name of anything. Noun is the name of anything, or it may be known as the naming word. Nouns ante enti naming words. Name of anything. It may be the name of animal, or it may be the name of a bird, or it may be the name of a fruit, or it may be the name of the vegetable, or it may be the name of the fruits, parts of the body, or fruits, or vegetables, or places, or the days of the week, or the months of the year. Let us take few examples of the birds, children. O-W-L, owl, D-U-C-K, duck, H-E-N, hen, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot, okay, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow, and P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. See, all, not only these, all the birds, okay, these I am giving as an example. ఇవి కొన్ని మాత్రమే చెప్తున్నానమ్మా, ఇంకా చాలా ఉంటాయి. అన్ని యానిమల్స్ నేమ్స్, అన్ని బర్డ్స్ నేమ్స్, fruits names, vegetables names, parts of body, or the days of the week, me perlu, wherever the names of the places, all the names together are known as the noun. Noun is nothing but name of anything. You can say a noun is the name of anything. Name of anything. A noun is the name of anything. Noun ante denidaina peru. Name of anything is known as the noun. Now coming to the fruits. You know all the fruits names you have learned already. Apple. Easily we can write. Mango. Orange. Banana. Pineapple. Pomegranate, etc. Pomegranate, etc. So these are the names of the fruits. Let us discuss about the vegetables. Tomato. See, children, tomato, potato, onion, beetroot, lady's finger, etc. So the names of any animals, or any bird, or any fruit, or any vegetables, or any parts of the body, or any days of the week are known as the nouns. Let us discuss few more examples of nouns. Now I have written here four categories. Another is jobs. Jobs ante nanna, suppose I am doing a teacher job. One may be the doctor, another may be the policeman. They are the occupations or the jobs. Okay, jobs ante enti nannu. See, I will explain what are the jobs, names of the jobs. Andaram okay job cheyam. Okay, so different jobs, and different jobs have different names. Suppose teacher, doctor, dancer, painter, cobbler. Okay, next potter, soldier. So these are the names of the jobs, children. These are the names of the jobs. Means a person, all the persons can't do the same job. Different persons are doing different jobs. Suppose I am a teacher, your parents may be the doctors, or your parents may be the bank employees, or they may be the manager. Okay, so all the jobs, names of the jobs are also under the nouns. They are also considered as a nouns. Not only jobs, children, parts of the body, different parts of the body, hands, okay, legs, okay, shoulder, cheeks, chin, nose, eyes, ears, mouth. Okay, these all the parts, all the remaining parts are also considered as a noun. And not only these, Nana, clothes what we are wearing. Suppose now I wore sari blouse. Suppose you are wearing a t-shirt and trouser. T-shirt, trouser, the word what I am pronouncing is also a noun. Sari is also a noun. Blouse is also a noun. Chalk piece, it's a name of a thing. Chalk piece is also a noun. Blackboard is also a noun. Prati vastu peru, prati pilladi peru, prati vegetable name, ప్రతి ఫ్రూట్ నేమ్, అన్ని పేర్లని మనం ఏమంటామమ్మా, నౌన్స్ అంటాము. వాట్ వి కాల్ నౌన్స్, ద నేమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద థింగ్స్, the names of the animals, the names of the fruits, the names of the vegetables, parts of body, jobs, names of the days of the week. Suppose Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, months of the year. All the names are known as the nouns. అన్నిటిని కలిపి మనం ఏమంటామమ్మా, nouns అంటాము. What they are known as nouns. Now here they have given few jumbled words, Nana. Few words they have given in your textbook, missing letter, and they told us to find out the missing letter and to enter. They gave which letter we have to keep. Only we have to identify where we have to keep that letter. Now let us see. If you know the spellings, then only easily you can write, children. Otherwise it will be very difficult for you to write. Okay. Just suppose put E. They gave put E. We have to put E where it is necessary. Suppose DANCR. What is the correct spelling here? You have to identify. Suppose PIGON. Okay. Next they gave BARBR. You have to substitute E పెట్టాలి. Correct place లో E పెట్టి spelling complete చేయాలి. You have to complete the spelling by substituting E in the correct place. Suppose MOUS dash. Okay. Next, children, CABBAG dash. Here if you observe the word, children, what is this word? Dancer. DANCER. So where we have to write E, children, after the C? Dancer. DANCER. What is this spelling, children? PIGON. G-E-O-N, Pigeon. Next, what is this word, children? Barber, B-A-R-B-R. Here we have to write E, barber. Next, children, what is this word, Nana? Mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Next, cabbage, C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. So here they told us to write E in a right place and give the correct spelling. If you know the nouns names correctly, then only easily you can write the E in the correct place and you can write the word completely. Now let us see to write A at the correct place. Now what we have written in the correct place? E. Now we will write A in the correct place. A. So if you read the spellings, then only you can write. Suppose Nana, T-I-L-O-R. Okay, T-I-L-O-R. S-N-K-E. Okay, next Nana, O-R-N-G-E. Okay, next Nana, T-U-R-B-B-N. Now see children, what is the first spelling, Nana? Tyler. If you observe the spelling, Tyler, T-A-I-L-O-R, Tyler. Snake, S-N-A-K-E, snake. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Turban, T-U-R-B-A-N, turban. So in this way, we have substituted the A in the correct place. If you know the names of the nouns correctly, children, then only easily you can write the correct letter and you can give the correct spelling. So what we have learned in today's class, we have learned about the nouns. What is a noun? A noun is the name of anything. Name of anything. You just fix in your mind, children. Nouns are name of anything. Noun can be defined as a name of anything. Anything అంటే ఏదైనా. ఓకే, అది పేరు అయి ఉండొచ్చు, ఊరు అయి ఉండొచ్చు, వెజిటేబుల్ ఆర్ ఫ్రూట్ ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్. So the name of anything is known as the noun. Okay children, today I will conclude class here. Read the more nouns and listen the classes carefully. Okay, have a nice day all of you.